Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect the USB drive into Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and S10 Ultra. So in order to connect the USB drive, you will need to use a converter that pretty much changes the USB-C into, most of the time, USB-A. It all depends on the pen drive that you have. In my case, I have USB-A pen drive or USB drive, and I had to use this one over here. They are really cheap ones. You can find them pretty easily on Amazon or eBay or anything else that you wish to use. And once we have this converter, this adapter, then what we need to do is pretty much plug into the USB-C, which is of course located over here on the right side of the tablet. So let's take a look. There we go. It is now connected, and if I open notifications, then you will see that the USB storage has been added. So of course we can open it like that. If you go back, if you want to open by yourself without notifications, then you need to open your files. So you need to find the My Files app. You can find it in the app library over here as well. And there we go. On the left side, you should be able to find the USB storage. You should be able to select it, and then you can go through these folders in order to manage it. And once you wanted to dismount the USB drive, the USB flash, then what you need to do first, in order to be safe with the USB drive and with the tablet, you want to go to notifications. You want to tap over here on the arrow on the right side of the notification where it says USB storage added, and then you want to unmount your USB drive like so. Then once you see the information that it is unmounted, then of course you can disconnect the USB drive easily. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!